A city on edge, the return to Butler, Pennsylvania, a name synonymous with American values, hard work, and now terror. President Donald J. Trump is returning to this battleground state. He's coming back to the very place where his life was nearly cut short. The date is circled on every calendar. The tension is palpable. This is more than a rally. It's a statement. The eyes of the world are watching. Will fear keep people away, or will they stand shoulder to shoulder, a sea of red, white, and blue? One thing is certain. President Trump will not be silenced. He will not be intimidated. He returns to Butler, a city forever marked by the attempt on his life to finish what he started. The day terror struck, revisiting the assassination attempt. It was a crisp autumn day when the unthinkable happened. October 26, 2023 will forever be etched in the minds of Americans. President Trump, midway through a rousing speech, was suddenly rushed off stage by Secret Service agents. Chaos erupted. Screams pierced the air. The crowd, moments before energized and hopeful, was now a sea of panic and confusion. News trickled out slowly, each horrifying detail adding to the national trauma. A lone gunman, fueled by hatred and radical ideology, had opened fire. While the president sustained minor injuries, several Secret Service agents and rally attendees were not so fortunate. The nation held its breath, praying for their recovery. Honoring the fallen, a promise to remember. The upcoming rally is not just about defiance, it is about remembrance. President Trump, a man of deep empathy and unwavering loyalty, will lead the nation in honoring the victims of the Butler attack. Their names, forever etched in the fabric of American history, will be read aloud. Their sacrifice, a stark reminder of the fragility of freedom, will be solemnly recognized. This will be a moment of unity, a moment to put aside political differences and stand together as Americans. It will be a powerful testament to the strength and resilience of the human spirit, embodied by the president himself. His presence alone speaks volumes. We will not be cowed by fear. We will not surrender to violence. Fort Knox descends on Butler, unprecedented security measures. The security presence at the Butler rally will be unlike anything ever seen before. The U.S. Secret Service, still haunted by the events of that fateful day, has left no stone unturned. Thousands of agents working in tandem with local and state law enforcement will create an impenetrable ring around the event. Facial recognition software, bomb-sniffing dogs, and vehicle checkpoints will be deployed. The airspace above Butler will be restricted, a no-fly zone enforced with military precision. Every precaution imaginable is being taken. The message is clear. We have learned from the past. This time, we will be ready. A deeper conspiracy, Trump and the FBI clash. The investigation into the Butler attack has been shrouded in controversy. While the FBI insists the gunman acted alone, President Trump and his supporters have raised serious questions. They point to inconsistencies in the official narrative, alleging a cover-up to protect powerful figures who may have been involved. This clash between the president and the FBI has only deepened the political divisions in the country. Trump, never one to shy away from a fight, has vowed to expose the truth, no matter how uncomfortable it may be. The rally in Butler, a symbolic return to the scene of the alleged crime, will undoubtedly provide a platform for him to further his claims. Unwavering resolve, a powerful message to America. President Trump's decision to return to Butler is a testament to his unwavering resolve. He could have easily chosen to hold the rally elsewhere, to avoid the painful memories and potential security risks. But that is not the Trump way. He does not back down from challenges. He confronts them head on. This rally is a powerful message to America and to the world. It is a message of defiance in the face of fear. It is a message of unity in a time of division. And most importantly, it is a message of hope. We will not be defined by the darkness, but by how brightly we shine the light.